Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So I am so pleased that these boys are kindly helping me in spreading this consciousness movement, and Krishna will bless them. I am very insignificant, I have no capacity. My business is only to convey the message of Krishna. Just like a postal peon, his business is to convey the letter. He is not responsible for the body of the letter. The reaction after reading one letter, the addressee may feel something, but that responsibility is not for the peon. Similarly, my responsibility is what I have received from disciplic succession from my spiritual master. I am just presenting the same thing, but without any adulteration. That is my response. I must present things exactly in the same way as it was presented by Krishna, as it was presented by Arjuna, as it was presented by our Acharyas, Lord Chaitanya, and at last my spiritual master, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj. So, similarly, if you take up the Krishna consciousness movement in the same spirit, and if you distribute to other people, to your other countrymen, surely it will be effective. Because there is no adulteration, there is no bluff, there is no cheating. It is pure spiritual consciousness. Just practice it and distribute it. Your life will be glorious.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,